In this video, I'm going to show exactly, step by step, how I made 1,100 euro in one day with affiliate marketing using paid advertising. So if you're watching this video and if you're a newbie or if you already having results with online marketing or affiliate marketing, I want to show you exactly how it's done. I see lots of people asking me this question every single day. Should I buy this guru's course on clickbank? Should I invest into this? Should I use this method? And I'm telling you, stop and think about this. The days of affiliate marketing where you can just copy and paste stuff and build serious income online, I mean the money you can buy a house and car with, are gone. It's done. You have to be really, really serious and committed if you want to get serious money online. So if you're here on this channel, on my channel right now watching this video, and if you want to get serious results, long-lasting, long-term passive income, then stay until the end of this video because I'm going to reveal to you exact secret that I use to generate income online. So as you can see here, this was in one day, right? Not bad. But let me show you how it's basically done. You have to remember that you have to invest in data. When you are placing ads every single day, right? If you're using Google ads or Facebook ads, you must remember people are always afraid to put money in the ads and not get 900% return on ad spend back. They think I will put 1,000 euro in, I get 10,000 or 15,000 euro back, which is not possible. You have to be reliable here. You have to be really having the right mindset, not get rich quick mindset, but real mindset if you really want to have business results online, right? You're not investing in immediate gains. Remember this. Yes, you can get $1,000 days here and there, but if you're a newbie, you must remember you are in it for a long haul, for long term, right? To get sustainable passive income online, not immediate riches overnight, but serious income online, right? That you can feed your wife, spouse, husband, kids, family members, right? Bring it to the vacations in abroad. Yeah, you're doing it for these kind of reasons. So take it serious, right? You're investing in data when you're placing ads. So another thing, as I'm going to show you is, for example, Facebook ads, how it's done, right? We are looking to collect leads, and this is cold traffic. Those are people who have never heard of us before. And in the next slide, I'm going to show you the secret that I'm personally using to set up landing pages, blogs, and websites, and also ad campaigns by understanding basic psychology level of the audiences and markets. You see, we have our cold traffic here, right? Those are people who have never heard of me, our products, our weight loss supplements. They don't know anything about anything. Cold traffic. They go to my opt-in page, and then I send them into the thank you page or sales offer, right? O2. So I'm doing this repeat process over and over again, and this is how I generate these huge commissions online. This is how you can, my friend, generate $1,000 or $2,000 days with affiliate marketing. It's a simple but committed process, right? You have to keep doing it over and over again to get sustainable long-term results. Now, another thing is, no one on ClickBank or any millionaire gurus are not sharing with you this. You have to understand audiences, right? We have totally unaware, problem aware, solution aware, niche aware, and offer aware audiences, right? Now, if you are promoting, right, with a unique angle and mechanism to the totally unaware audiences, and if you prepare to the offer aware audiences or product aware audiences, there is a huge difference. Why? Because there's a huge supply, there is a small supply and huge demand for the product, right? So you will not need a lot of convincing or persuasion on your landing pages or on ads if you're promoting to the, let's call it, offer aware or product aware audiences. So it's really, really important to understand this, right? Depend on what stage your customer or audience is at a time when you are placing the ad will determine what kind of results you are going to get as an affiliate, right? So I'm always sharing this. When you're working with someone one-on-one personally, you can expect much better long-term results than if you're looking to buy only a video course where you sit through darn 8 weeks course and get basically no results at all. So really important to understand your audience level, where they're at, right? This is how you can get results. And then I'm working with someone one-on-one personally. We do it by milestones. What do I mean by that? We sit down and say, look, our goal is to make $1,000 per day. Great. But if you're a beginner, we will not start with $1,000 per day goal. Way no, right? Why? Because we want to make sustainable results. I want to help you and myself to go step by step by milestone. It means the first thing is let's get you to $100 per day. Great. Once you're at 100 per day profit, not revenue, profit on ClickBank or any other network, then we go to $200 and $300. And let me stop here. Even though you're not making $1,000 per day yet, let's say you only make $300 per day. You're almost making $10,000 per month. You're making 10 grand per month, almost, with offers on $300 per day. So you don't have to make $1,000 a day to make a good income. You can make even $300 a day. And if you're making consistently, you're making around $10,000 per month. At $500 per day, you're making a lot more than $10,000 per month, right? So you're making $15,000 per month. And at 1,000, you're making $30,000 per month. So go step by step, milestone by milestone, and tweak and repeat the process along the way. Very important thing. Now, if you're still watching this video, what to do next? If you're a newbie and if you want to get results with affiliate marketing, or maybe you are already at a higher level and if you want to scale up your affiliate campaigns long term into sustainable online business, then what you can do is subscribe to my channel and contact me one-on-one. After watching this video, you can click on my social media accounts, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, or email. You can send me basically email or DM me, whatever you like, and I will try to respond to your messages and emails. So if you're really serious, if you have some money to invest into your own future and start having results with this affiliate marketing or ClickBank affiliate marketing, then let me know. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, and let me know in the bio, in the description below, you can find links where you can reach out to me personally.